more plane geometry and looking at more triangles. Recall that the angles of a triangle add up to 180, so A, B, and C together make 180. Using that information that A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees, we're going to solve for x. So there's a little bit of algebra in here, so let's write up that equation. So you can see that 44, 104, and 18 plus 7x together make 180. Let's collect some like terms. So collecting like terms, 44 and 144 and 18 make 166. So now I'm going to solve the equation 166 plus 7x equals 180. So this goes back to our two-step equations. Using our strategies from two-step equations, I want to isolate x, so I'm going to subtract 166, but I need to do that from both sides. Again, I want to isolate x, so I'm going to need to divide both sides by 7. And that gives me an answer of x equals 2. Alright, let's try the other one. Set up the equation 25 and 125 and negative 5x equals 180. I'm going to get x by itself by solving this equation. I need to get rid of that 150, so I'm going to subtract 150 from both sides. That leaves me with minus 5x, don't forget that minus, equals 30. Again, the goal is to get x by itself, so I need to divide both sides by negative 5. That leaves me with x equals negative 6.